Good morning, Internet. Alright, is that good? What do you got in there? That better not be hard this early in the morning, sir. What do you got in there? Apple juice?
And I don't like this road because every time I make a turn, it's like. By the time I get to church, my throat's gonna be so sore.
I want to be riding a bike right now. I'll punch her and take her bike, ride it to church.
Yeah, that's the Christianly thing to do.
Yeah.
It's Jesus business.
It's Jesus business.
It's official Jesus business.
All right, everybody, so we're here. It's Sunday, and we're having fun here. We're at a new church this week, so we're gonna find out what's going on. I like the amount of room that's in here, though. Now Tyler.
Sit up, I gotta tell you something. I love you. I gotta tell you something. I think you smell like cheese. What?
Say, I love you.
Can you say it?
Can you say the words that are coming out of my mouth? I finally have realized that I am old because in the morning I like the smell of coffee and now I like the taste.
That doesn't make you old.
That makes you old because when I was younger I was like, oh, I don't need no coffee. I don't need none of that stuff. But now I'm like, oh my gosh, coffee. Nom, nom, nom,
Coffee
nom.
is the best.
Charlie, get down! No, she's coming down! She's in the red! Go down! Go down! Go down! Whoever is green, go down! Dang it, Adrian! The star is here! Breaking trend!
I win.
She's still in the blue! She's going towards the green color! No, I'm not. She's going towards the color! The other color! I'm gonna get her! I'm gonna get her! I can't even.
Don't break anything.
Dang it! Ah! We need to get down there and help her.
No one?
Somebody help me! She's in the red!
No.
Ah!
Please.
My thumb is blue! My thumb is blue! She's going in the center! Ah!
No, you can't just take a bite from the back.
You've got her! 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 Go! Now you!
No, you can't have
Go!
that.
Where's that letter? Somebody go around. Yes! Yes!
Okay. So there's meat on this platter, but the people who don't eat meat don't need to eat the meat. I put-
Make sure that
there is good crackers and there is butter flavored crackers. There is good crackers. Good for you crackers.
And then there's butter flavor.
I would like one of those tasty crackers, please.
I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you!
Everyone ignore
And then leaves.
the man walking into the bathroom with the 3DS.
Thank you. Can I do that too, Tyler?
Come on.
Come on!
I'm big.
Oh. I'm playing. Charlie, get away.
Go.
I'm hosting a party and it's the best party ever.
What kind of a party is it?
A party for games.
What kind of
That's
games?
what comes out tonight.
Super Smash Brothers.
And you're
3DS.
so excited about it.
Yeah.
And look at all this
I
junk
couldn't fall
food.
asleep last night. Why?
Junk food.
Because I
Look,
was so excited.
It's so fancy.
So fancy.
You already know.
I thought you were joking.
We're gonna eat some cake and play some videos.
Liberty cake. What game were we just playing?
good.
Nintendo Land.
Nintendo Land. We were playing Nintendo Land.
Now we're gonna.
What one are you? I'm number one. Are you number two?
Oh crap!
I don't know.
Nice face, Steph.
Yeah, you're supposed to run away. Go on, Blue.
Where is she at?
No, she's right next to Blue. Oh, I lost her. No. Oh.
Guys!
MLG!
Right.
There though, girl, you can have whatever you want.
That's what you have.
That's adorable.
Thanks.
Yes, Tyler, you're adorable.
Tyler, you're so adorable.
Ew, get your butt out of my camera. Yeah, now you have to swear.
I see it's working.
You're so much better at it than any of us.
Burning bridges shore to shore, I break away from something more. I'm not turned on to love until it's cheap. Been knocked down, I messed around, I'm having fun, don't put me down. I'll never let you sweep me off my feet.
Everybody on the same page, same sense, same word. We're headstrong, let's roll. Get it!